So, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been leaking like a faucet lately, and honestly, it's getting more interesting by the day. Samsung seems to be playing a little game of guess what's next, and we're all just along for the ride. This time, it's all about that super slim profile. Samsung clearly wants this thing to look sleek and futuristic, and yeah, it's definitely thinner than before. But here's the catch, making it that thin means they had to cut corners somewhere. Looks like the battery took the hit, especially when you compare it to what competitors are packing. And then there's the S Pen drama. People have been crossing their fingers for built-in support, and depending on who you ask, the answer is kind of. Word is the Z Fold 7 will play nice with S Pen cases made for the Fold 6. The pen itself is lightweight, doesn't need to be charged, and just works, sort of. Samsung apparently made some changes to the tech behind it, which might make it feel a bit less responsive than older Fold-compatible pens. But here's where things get messy. One insider says yes, there's pen compatibility in some form. Another source flat out says nope, no S Pen support at all. So we're left wondering, is this a limited kinda sorta situation, or is Samsung skipping the feature entirely this year? Guess we'll find out soon enough. Now, let's talk money. There were rumors going around about a price bump, especially in Europe. But according to someone a bit more reliable, that's not happening. The Z Fold 7 is sticking to the same price as last year's model. Even more surprising, the Z Flip 7 might actually get a price drop. Yeah, you heard that right, cheaper than the Flip 6. That's a first for Samsung. As for the look of the thing, we finally got the official images. Even Blast, the guy who never misses, leaked them, and they're clean. It's coming in jet black shadow and silver shadow, just like the Fold 6. But the camera layout, definitely sleeker this time around. And that thinner build really makes a difference. It just looks more polished. Oh, and remember that under-display camera Samsung's been experimenting with since the Fold 3? Yeah, the one that never quite nailed selfie quality. Looks like they've had enough. The Z Fold 7 might be saying goodbye to that feature entirely. Some folks are calling it a downgrade. Others are happy to see it go if it means better screen performance. Either way, it's out. All in all, the Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most interesting foldables yet. Still a lot of questions hanging in the air, but one thing's for sure, it's gonna be worth watching. If you're still with me, you know what to do. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned.